Let me guess, you've been dreaming of the condo lifestyle, but you're not ready to leave your nature behind and all your beautiful gardens.
Let me guess, you want the feel of a backyard with the convenience right off your sliding doors. This condo has it all. All that and more on today's episode.
Welcome to 6 Toronto Street, Unit 308. This is a Tradewinds model and you're absolutely gonna love it. Over 1,300 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 baths, and every window, every bedroom overlooks this beautiful terrace.
You know, Chad, this model really is fantastic because it's the best of both worlds. Oftentimes with condo living, people feel like they have to give up their outdoor space, and that's not the case here. You have these beautiful gardens right off your sliding glass doors, but with our location here, you can also enjoy all of the amazing things that Barrie's Lakeshore has to offer. We have miles of biking and walking trails, not to mention we have the Barrie Marina right across the street, and we have easy access to all of your wonderful amenities in Barrie's downtown. So whether it's boutique shopping or convenience of fine dining, we have it all. We can't wait to show you inside this one. Let's go inside and take a closer look.
Back inside now, you're gonna love this layout. Really nice open concept design, over 1,300 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. One of my favorites though, the primary wing has a brand new bathroom with a really nice glass shower, floor to ceiling. You're gonna love it.
This suite really ticks off all the boxes. Not only do we have access to the outdoor space, all of the bedrooms are flooded with natural light and overlook the terrace. So we have your outdoor space taken care of, a spacious 2-bedroom unit. What about the building? Well, 6 Toronto Street has all the amenities you could ask for. We have an indoor pool, we have a hot tub, we have guest rooms, we have games rooms, we have libraries. This building is all about relaxing, enjoying, but also socializing. Now, we all know the real focal point at 6 Toronto Street is the front of the building and the water, but who would think that you have this private little oasis at the back where you have an unobstructed view to watching the sunsets in the evenings?
I can't emphasize enough, like Julie just said, you literally don't have to do anything. It is perfectly manicured and you are gonna have sunsets every single day from this location. We are the Knowles Woolsey team and we know condos. More information on this listing and more like, visit our website.